You know it's bad for you. You promise yourself you'll stop. But tomorrow, you do it again. This isn't weakness. This is your brain doing its job. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It cares about survival. Every bad habit you hate, scrolling, junk food, procrastination, porn, overthinking, exists because it gives your brain fast dopamine. Dopamine is not pleasure. It's anticipation. Your brain releases dopamine before the reward, not after. That's why thinking about scrolling already feels good. From an evolutionary perspective, your brain was designed to conserve energy. Risk equals danger. Comfort equals safety. So when you choose a bad habit, your brain thinks you're being smart. Here's the dangerous part. Your brain cannot tell the difference between short-term relief and long-term damage. It only understands, did this reduce discomfort right now? That's why stress pushes you toward habits you hate. Stress shuts down the rational brain and hands control to the emotional brain. Neuroscience shows this clearly. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for discipline and decision-making, goes quiet under stress. The habit system takes over. That's why willpower fails. You're fighting biology with motivation. The solution isn't motivation. It's environment control. Change the environment, and the brain follows. Successful people don't resist bad habits. They make them hard to access. Your brain isn't broken. It's just outdated.